At 25 hours, there are a few lubrication locations that need attention. Refer to your operator's manual for a full listing of recommended lubricants for your R216 header. Starting on the left-hand side, you will need to lubricate the following locations: the conditioner drive belt tensioner pivot, suspended drum drive belt tensioner pivot, the feed roll bearing, conditioner drive line slip joint. Use a grease with no more than 10% moly. The conditioner drive line U-joint in 2 places. Conditioner roll bearings in 2 places. And the feed roll drive belt tensioner pivot. Now, onto the right-hand side of the machine. The suspended drive drum belt tensioner pivot. Conditioner roll bearings in 2 places. Upper driveline U-joint in 2 places. Lower driveline U-joint in 2 places. And the upper and lower conditioner driveline slip joints. Use a grease with no more than 10% moly. If your R216 is equipped with gauge rollers, they also need to be lubricated every 25 hours. At 25 hours, you'll also want to check your belt tension again. The correct spring length is 17.5 millimeters. To adjust the length, tighten or loosen the bolt.